Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here with my friend Russ, and we're in a 1984 Chevy C10 pickup short bed that Russ built himself. This truck is awesome, guys. So tell us about the truck. What do you got in here?
It's 84 C10. It's got a 383 blueprint, 450 horse, turbo 350 built by Battaglia transmission, 2.5-inch mantle vent exhaust with an X-pipe, Black Widow Venom 250s done by United Exhaust in Ronkonkoma. Justin at Huntington Transmissions did the posi unit in the rear end for me, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, so this thing is pretty awesome. Check.
It's also got Dakota digital gauges.
This thing is awesome. That was like a quarter throttle. We broke loose on a back road, guys. That is freaking awesome.
Yeah, she gets up really good.
This truck got it, guys. You have no idea. He just did a quarter throttle. We got loose, and he let off because we're on a back road. But we want to try to keep it civil back here. Hey guys, we're going to do some more footage on this awesome truck. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos. Me and Russ are going to be coming on a lot more cars the upcoming weeks together. And you know, Russ is a professional race car builder, classic car rebuilder. Does amazing work here in Long Island, New York. And we're going to collaborate a little and share with you some awesome videos. I'm doing a full walk around later with Russ too. We just have to go somewhere and pick up some parts. But guys, thank you so much. Leave those comments down below. Jerry Metal Man Battaglia and Russ. Have a great day.